Hello, dear meditators. Welcome back to yet another guided meditation for transcendence, a meditation where we use a vibration as a point of anchor for our thoughts and emotions so that we're able to be in the present moment, here and now, bypassing our ego, bypassing our understanding of the world within and around us, so that we can return to our true nature, to our true potential, and to this new state of consciousness, which is a transcendental state of consciousness. If this is the first time we meet, my name is Raphael. I will be your guide for today's meditation. And don't worry if this is the first time that you do this meditation, because I will give you all the instructions you need. If you're here for a long time, that you've been meditating with us for years, then please, you can skip those instructions. I know a lot of people said, hey, why do you have to do the instructions? It's because some people are new here and we welcome them with open hearts, and we can begin our meditation. Before you start though, make sure that you're in a safe place. It does happen that you fall asleep, so please do not meditate while driving or operating any kind of heavy duty machinery, anything dangerous. Make sure that you're sitting down somewhere. You can do those meditations standing up, and you can do them lying down. You can do anything that you like, but I do suggest that you sit down. You don't have to sit down in a very fancy yogic position. You can simply sit down on a yoga block, a meditation pillow, which is nice and firm, or simply on your chair. We sit with dignity. If you had the most dignity, the most pride in the world, how would you sit? Well, sit like this, nice and tall, nice and straight, chest out, chin in, shoulders down, and let's close our eyes. We will start the meditation by putting our hands to our hearts, and we will dedicate the session to someone that we know, somebody that we don't know, someone we love, somebody that we're having challenges with. It can also be directed to ourselves. We do this with a nice inhale in through the nose. And on the exhalation, we project our love, gratitude, and appreciation towards that person. And while we're there, let's continue on some nice deep breaths to prepare the meditation. In through the nose, nice and deep, from the tips of your toes to the belly and the chest. And once you're nice and full, we release the air with a sigh, releasing tensions in our bodies, in our muscles, in our mind, and in our hearts. And as you continue with a few of those nice deep breaths, let me just remind you to start these meditation sessions with no expectations, yearning for the future, for a future experience, or getting stuck in the past by wanting to reproduce a previous experience, will only block you from transcendence, because it will block you from the present moment, from being here and now fully present during the entirety of this meditation. You can take your focus off your breath now, and in a few moments you will be introduced to a sound, a vibration. You will put your focus, your attention, as gently and effortlessly as possible on that vibration, putting it on the foreground of your mind, on the center stage of your inner personal space. This vibration will be the anchor to your thoughts and emotions, and it would also be your guide to go beyond your ego, beyond your own intelligence, and beyond the concepts of time and space. When a thought comes, don't judge yourself for thinking. This is part of the process. Don't judge the thoughts and don't try to eliminate the thoughts. Simply go back to the vibration, putting it on the foreground of your mind, on the center stage of your inner personal space. When the sound fades out, simply reproduce it in your own mind for a few extra moments, keeping it alive. You may now let go of the vibration. The meditation session is over. Simply let it go, float away, fly away, however you want to visualize it. Even if it feels amazing, even if it feels like a real massage to your brain, let it go. Take a few moments to get reacquainted to the sensations in your body, and take a few extra moments when you open your eyes to get reacquainted with the space around you. Noticing what's new, what's familiar, noticing the colors, the shadows, the lights, the sounds and smells. Really take your time here, and I will leave you to it. Thank you so much for being here. I'm honored to be part of your journeys. I'm honored to be part of your meditations. And yeah, I appreciate you. Thanks so much for being here. If you've enjoyed this meditation, please do hit the like button. If you've not done so already, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to support the channel, then please hop on buymeacoffee.com/Raph, as these meditations do take some time and energy. And I really appreciate all of your donations so that we can keep on going. And yeah, thank you so much for your generosity. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.